What's up, guys? Welcome to tutorial number 2, and in this tutorial we're gonna get the resources that we need before starting our design. So for example, we need those buttons. We don't want to design those buttons, or not buttons, I would say those icons, because they're already out there and they're usually free and there's no copyrights for those. So why should I waste my time and design them again? So that's what we're gonna do. Something like the mail, Facebook, YouTube, and the LinkedIn icons. Those are also available and they're free, and you can get them from many websites. So you don't need to actually design those. So let's actually get those. And we also need a grid system. So in this design, I used a grid system, the 960 12 columns, I think. Yeah, that's the one I use. So we will need to get that, and that's also free. And I think that's about it. And then this PC, I'm gonna show you guys how to design it on at a later time, probably like few tutorials ahead. I'll show you guys how to design a PC like that. That would look nice. So let's actually get started. So first of all, let's get those, and then we can get something similar to that. So let's go to my favorite website, which is called Icon Monster, I think. Yep, Icon Monster. And you go to Icon Monster and make sure to disable ad block, because that's how they make money. And if we don't allow them to make money, they're gonna charge us for these kind of stuff. So we'll pause it just for you guys. And then let's do Facebook. So I'll go to Facebook. I'll get that one right there. And then you can save it as SVG or PNG. I usually just save it as PNG. Download. Alright, and I'll just call it Facebook. Okay. And then I'll do mail. Let's get that one. Also PNG. I agree. And then I'll call it mail. And if you guys are curious, if you go to the license and agreements, it actually tells you what you can or what you can't do. So the license says may not sell, distribute those stuff, but it also says may use the work in non-commercial or commercial projects. So you can use them, but you can't sell them. So that we should be good. So I don't know why would you sell an icon if it's already free. So I don't know, but probably somebody did it before. That's why they put that. So anyways, what else do we need? So let's do YouTube, and I'll do that icon, and I'll make sure it's PNG. I agree. Download. Okay, and let's do one more. What did I do? I think it was LinkedIn. Yep, let's do LinkedIn. And let's use that one, PNG, and agree. Alright, and I'm gonna call this LinkedIn, and let me actually go to downloads and fix this. This was YouTube. Alright, here you go. And then those are for those icons. So if we go up a little bit, we need those. So we can, let's say if I write phone, what would I get? Mobile phone, so I can actually use that one. PNG, agree, download. I'll use phone. And let's do computer. Alright, just PC. And one more, let's do browser, let's say. What will pop up? No. Let me think. Folder, the same thing I have. Alright, so I'll have that folder, for example. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so let's do download. Alright, so now we have all the icons that we actually need, and we don't have to design, and that will save us some time. So we have all these icons and all of that. So now we have to get the grid system that we're going to use for our setup. So I will go and just write grid line, oh no, right 960 grid template. And let's see, let's go there and then download. Alright, it's going to be a zip file, so I'll unzip it. And let's see, templates. So we're going to go to templates. Don't worry about all these kind of stuff. We'll use this later if you continue doing up to the HTML and CSS. Those going to be in a different series, but let's just not worry about any of those. So eventually I'm going to delete all of those, but let's just get the template. So I'll go to templates, and I'm going to go to the Photoshop because I'm using Photoshop, and then I'm going to use the 960 grid 12 column. There's 16 and there's 24 depending on what you want to use. I'll use the 12 one, get more comfortable with that. So I'll copy it or just cut it, copy it here, and this whole folder I'll just delete it. And then now you can actually rename this. Let me rename it to my project. Alright, so here you go. I'm gonna create a folder, put all this stuff in this folder, and I'm gonna move it to my D drive. Put it somewhere you will not lose it. Alright, and you can now open this. So that's our grid system that we're gonna fix. But I'm gonna actually end this video because this video is just gonna be for resources, and from the next video I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your grid and how you can actually start designing your website. So thank you guys for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll probably leave all the links of all these icons in the description. So I'll probably put it on my website as well, and if you just go to Learner Pro, go to tutorials, and probably press explore. I didn't set up yet, but eventually it'll be there. So just give me a couple of days and it should be there. If you're watching that and not in 2017, then it's probably gonna be there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.